What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be starting my exhaust. I'm going to take out the eBay 3-inch catless downpipe. Take it off, put a V-band on the end of it, cut off the 2-bolt flange, put a V-band on, and with this universal pipe kit, create a 3-inch exhaust on the Mazdaspeed. Right now it's a 3-inch downpipe, catless downpipe from eBay to the stock resonator to a turn down tip about halfway down the car. I'm going to be taking that off. Just create a 3-inch single exhaust to come right outside that bumper. Once I get the downpipe off, I'll show you. I'm going to cut off, like I said, the 2-bolt flange and weld on the V-band so then I can create my own catback. I'll show you what it looks like. Got the speed up off the ground. And what I ended up doing is taking off my eBay catless downpipe, and I cut the 2-bolt flange that was on there. Cut that off. Used my trusty little welder here. All set up. And I welded a V-band onto the downpipe. So now I'm going to start the catback process, and I'll show you what that ends up looking like. Alright, there we go. All finished up. Sauce coming out the bumper. 3-inch all the way up to the turbo. Got 2 V-bands, one at the downpipe, one right here above the back wheel. I can always change out this back piece to whatever I want. Do a little turn down tip or a bigger tip there. I think it sounds pretty good. You guys heard the coal start. Sounds good. Sounds nice and loud. So if you like what you saw, make sure to give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Some more content coming soon. Hopefully this big turbo here will be going on soon.